Hi everyone, welcome to another video from this YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a dynamic dashboard using match and index functions in Microsoft Excel. In order for you to have an overview of this dynamic dashboard, please notice all the information shown on the screen. Once I change the name of the project, all the information here must change, including this list, this percentage, the information shown in this bar chart. For example, let's go to project number 6. All the information changed. Or maybe let's go to project number 11. As you can see, the information changed. This dashboard is created from the information about the projects given in this list. Let's get started and let me show you what I know about index and match functions in Microsoft Excel and how to use it for project management purposes. So first of all, I copied the information from project's information sheet into this sheet. Now, in order to start with our dashboard to look like this, first of all, let's type the names and everything here. I'll write down project dashboard. I'll format it later on. Moreover, I have the project name, and I have the project budget, I think, and percentage completed. Project budget, and the last one is percentage completed. Information here will give a brief of the project to anyone seeing the dashboard for the first time. Next, let's come here and create a list of our projects. We do it using the data. Go to data validation, select data validation, create list from here, and select the source for your list. We'll go to sheet 1 and we will select the names of the projects. Okay. So the list should appear here. Project 1, 2 up to project 11. All the projects that we had here. Next, as we had in our dashboard, we have the information table here. We'll write down information. And in order to get the same names as are listed here, we will equal sheet 1, and then we will drag it down. Now, writing down the index and match function is the most important thing, because I received many messages for the previous videos that many people told me that their functions didn't work as required. So be careful at this stage. We will write down equal index, then open parenthesis, select your array. It will be the whole table from the beginning till the end. Once this is done, press F4 key in order to lock the array. Then comma, then write down match, open parenthesis. Okay, now which values do you want to match? Go to sheet 2, which is the dashboard, click the name here, then comma, which array do you want the Excel to look for this value? Go to sheet 1, select all the cells from above up to here. Once this is done, press F4 in order to lock them, then comma, then 0 in order to get the exact match. Close the parenthesis. Next, comma, match, open parenthesis. Do we want to match the project name? Press F4 key in order to lock that cell, then comma, the array that you are going to look up for the value. Select from the beginning till the end. Press F4, comma, 0, close parenthesis and close parenthesis. Enter. As you can see, for project number 5, the project manager name is Christopher. All the other values should be the same as well. We have to do a bit of formatting since, as you know, the percentages are shown in decimals here. We will select these and click the percentage. Moreover, these are dates. We will change them to short dates, and these are currencies. We will go to currency. We will remove the decimals. This is currency as well. I will go to currency. I will remove the decimals, and that should work. Now if I click, for example, project number 1, if you go to project number 1 and see all the information here, it will be same to the project number 1 in here. Next thing, as you can see in this dashboard, is the status of the project. We'll come to sheet number 2. We'll write down status. In here, we will use the if function equal if the value of the schedule variance is smaller than 0, then it should be behind schedule. If the value is false, which means that if this value is greater than 0, then it will be ahead of schedule. Close the parenthesis, enter. Next we will do the same for the cost. It equals to if this value is smaller than 0, then write down over budget. If it's greater than 0, then write down on budget. Close the parenthesis and enter. This is done. I'll do the formatting at the end. Next, come and let's create a percentage completed donut chart like this in here. We will select these two, the percentage remaining and percentage completed, go to insert, go to other charts and select the donut chart. Next, we'll right click on this, format data point. We will go and increase the donut hole size. Let's leave it at 69, that will work. Okay. We will edit the colors. For example, the percentage completed should be in dark blue and the percentage remaining should be in gray. So we will double click and go to the fill. Since the blue depicts the percentage completed, so the solid fill, we will select the color as this one, close. For the percentage remaining, we'll go to fill, solid fill, and we will change it to light gray. Okay, as you can see in this dashboard here, the percentage completed is shown a bit bolder. How is that done? Click on the percentage completed donut, then come to border color. Let's select the solid line, and then border styles, increase this, for example, to 9 or maybe 10, as you wish. Close this. Next, as you can see here, if we move this chart right or left, the value inside it will move with it. In order to do that, click on the chart, go to insert, insert the text box. Insert the text box here. In the function bar, write down equal. Since we want to see the percentage complete, we will click this cell and enter. We'll bring it to the center, and to the center we'll increase the size, for example, to whatever size you require, 28. Let's increase the size as well. Let's, for example, make it bold and the color same to the percentage completed, and this will do it for you. More, in order to format it, format chart area, remove the background and remove the border. Click OK. Next bar chart that we want to plot is the bar chart for our project budget, budget spent, cost variance, and schedule variance. To do that, we will select all those values, select budget, then hold Control key, budget spent, cost variance, and schedule variance. Go to insert, go to columns, select the first 2D column from here. We will format the bit, remove the axis names, the series name, these lines from here. We will add the data labels on the outside end, and moreover we will change the color. We will go to format, we will go to shapefill, we will make the colors the same. In here, as you can see, the status of the schedule and the budget is shown as well. If you update the name of the project, for example, let's go to project number 2, these will update as well. Click on this chart, go to insert, go to text box, draw a text box here in the function bar, equal sign, and enter. We will do the same for the cost. We'll copy this text box, paste it here, we'll bring it down here, and the only thing that we change about this is equals to the budget status. So for example, now if you go and change the project name, the budget status will be updated as well, along with the schedule status. Next, let's format these text boxes as well. We will go to format, we will have the shape fill, and the text color should be in white. Same will apply for the budget one. This should be in white and this should be in dark blue. So these two are done. Let's remove the border lines. No fill, no line. Okay, same we will do for the plot area. We will select no fill, no line. This will be done. We will we will merge these cells for the project dashboard name. We will put it in center. Moreover, for the project name, we will equal this to this one, and for the project budget we will equal it to this value, and for the percentage completed it will equal to this value. Let's select all these up to here, and the fill should be in this color, this should be white, all the things should be in center, and they should be in bold. The size of text in this cell should be, for example, 16, and let's drag it down a bit here. We'll increase the sizes too, for example to 14. Let's bring this to this side as well, and edit this cell, put it in white, put it in center, and let's make both of these bold. We will put a border below each of these. And let's make these bold, and let's put these into center. Moreover, we will use conditional formatting as we did in here for the values to appear in specific colors. For the cost variance and schedule variance, we will go to conditional formatting. If they are greater than 0, they should be, for example, shown in custom format. The color should be green. If they are greater than 0, and should be bold. Okay. Okay. If they are less than 0, go to conditional formatting, go to less than 0, the values should be shown, and go to color here, select red and bold. Okay. We'll click OK on this as well. Moreover, we will remove the grid lines from the background. Now if we update the names of the projects from here, for example, let's go to project number 9, the situation will change. For project 10, it's almost different. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the contents and want to see more contents like this, please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.